Love and the triple path. Will, knowledge, and love are the three divine powers in human nature and the life of man, and they point to the three paths by which the human soul rises to the divine. The integrality of them, the union of man with God in all the three, must therefore, as you have seen, be the foundation of an integral yoga. Action is the first power of life. Nature begins with force, and its works, which once conscious in man, become will and its achievement. Therefore, it is that we, turning his action towards the life of man best and most surely begins to become divine. It is the door of first access, the starting point of the initiation. When the will in him is made one with the divine will, and the whole action of being proceeds from the divine and is directed towards the divine. The union in works is perfectly accomplished, but works fulfill themselves in knowledge. All the totality of works, says the Gita, finds its rounded culmination in knowledge. Sarvam karmam jnane parispathe. By union in will, the works we became one in the omnipresent conscious being from whom all our will and works have their rise and draw their power, and in whom they fulfill the round of their energy. And the crown of this union is love, for love is the delight of conscious union with the being in whom we live, act, and move, by whom we exist, for whom alone we learn in the end to act and to be. That is the infinity of our powers, the union of all three in God, to which we arrive when we start from works as our way of access and our line of contact. Knowledge is the foundation of a constant living in the divine, for consciousness is the foundation of all living and being, and knowledge is the action of consciousness, the light by which it knows itself and its realities, the power by which, starting